What is up, everyone? It's Alicia from Fit Pro Essentials, and I am really excited to share this video with you. I've been wanting to film it for a couple weeks now. It's about Facebook retargeting and exactly how to put a Facebook retargeting pixel into your website. It's really easy to do. It won't take you more than 10 to 20 minutes to get the whole thing set up. And so if you don't have them installed, I would take 20 minutes today or tomorrow and get this put up on your website as soon as possible. Regardless of if you are ready to run some ads to them or not, at least you can start collecting data on your website visitors. So real quick, what a retargeting pixel is let's say, for example, you're on Amazon and you're searching and you're looking at a cookbook, and then you get distracted, you don't end up buying, you X out of the screen, and then later on that night you are just randomly on Facebook checking seeing what your friends are doing, and you see that exact same cookbook like following you around and popping up on your sidebar on Facebook, and there's an ad for that exact same book that you were looking at. That is retargeting. It's kind of creepy. It's so awesome for marketers and for us as business owners to be able to get really specific on who we run our ads to. So whether or not you're running ads right now, you want to start gathering data. And, retargeting, setting this stuff up used to be really expensive. You used to have to hire somebody professional to do this for you, but it's so easy now, and it really does increase conversions. So basically what you're able to do is just this process right here. Somebody visits your website, and you spend a lot of time and energy trying to get people to visit your site, and if they click off, they get distracted, you'll never be able to reach out to them again unless they filled out a form on your website, or you are collecting data on them with a tracking code. So you're going to put a tracking code onto your website, and what that does is it basically installs a cookie onto this person's browser for the next however long you set it for. I like to set it for 180 days. And then once that person, whether or not they buy anything from you or fill out a web form, Facebook is collecting their information, and so next time they're on Facebook, if you're running ads to that audience, that person will see an ad for your business or for a specific offer that you have for them. So it's really cool, and I would recommend getting this set up on your site as soon as possible. So I'm going to show you how to do it on WordPress. If you don't have WordPress, I would recommend contacting your developer and getting them to put code in. But what you need to do if you have WordPress, and just log into your WordPress, and you're going to have to start a new plugin, and it's called Code Insert Manager. I already have it here installed, so I'm just going to show you how to install it really quickly. You're just going to go to Plugins and then Add New. And in the search plugins, Code Insert Manager. And you're going to search for that. It's free. You don't have to pay anything for it, and it's already installed, but you're just going to click the Install Now button, go through that process, and once it's installed on your website, you're going to see a little thing over here on your sidebar called Code Insert. And basically what this allows you to do is copy your Facebook audience pixel that it's going to create for you in Facebook, and you're going to be able to install it on your website, and you can put it in your website as a whole. You can have it put on every single website page, or you can put it on specific pages on your website, and I am going to show you how to do that. So once you have this plugin installed, Code Insert Manager, it's going to show up here, and I'm going to show you how to use that in just a second. But the next thing you're going to have to do is first create the code. So you're going to log into your Facebook account. This is just a mock Facebook account that I've got here. And let's see, let me go back so I can show you how to access this page. Okay, so you're going to be on your Facebook. You're going to search for Ads Manager right here, and Facebook Ads Manager will pop up. So you're going to click on that, and you are going to create your first audience. And so right up here, you'll see a little tools button. You're going to click that, and you're going to go to audiences. You're going to wait for that to pop up, and you are going to, I already created a a fake one here. So let's just go in and delete that here. All right, so you are going to create a custom audience right here. So you're going to click this blue button, and you are going to go to website traffic. So create a list of people who visit your website or specific web pages. And the first pixel I'm going to teach you how to create is just going to go on your website, and any page or post on your website. It's going to collect data. And so this is anyone that visits your website, and in a minute I'm going to show you how to do the specific web pages, but for right now let's just get anybody who's been on any page on your website right here. Facebook allows you to go up to 180 days here, which means that if somebody visits your website today and you have this pixel installed on your website, for the next 180 days you're going to be able to run an ad to that person. And then after that, it deletes. Let's be specific here. We're going to go to all website visitors. We'll call it Fit Pro Essentials. Right here, you want to be as specific as possible because you're going to have quite a bit of retargeting pixels. You want to be able to identify them pretty easily. And all you do here is you're going to create audience. And once you create the audience, you will see it pop up right here. And it's going to say pixel not installed. And that's because you haven't put it on your website yet. So what you need to put on your website is you're going to click here and go to that new pixel you just created. You're going to click the edit button. And down here, you'll see this little gear. You're going to click that and view the pixel code. Now you're just going to copy that code, all right? And what you're going to do now is you're going to come back here to your code insert manager right here. And you are going to add a new code, add a new Facebook pixel code right here. And you're going to call it Facebook pixel. And you can put all website visitors. And this is a test. So what you're going to do is, you can call it whatever you want. It's going to be active, obviously. Facebook likes when you put it in the header. So you're going to put header here. You're going to insert this on every page on your website right here. So you're going to put it on all pages. You can literally go through and pick specific pages if you want to. But all pages right here. And then you're going to apply it. And that's it. It's already up there here. And then here's where you just paste your code. So you're going to paste your code right there. And you are going to save changes right here. So now what you're going to do is you're going to have to visit your website. And when you visit your website, you are going to see the site here. And it's basically going to activate your pixel. So now when you go here to your audiences, hopefully be active right here. So Facebook needs at least 20 visitors for you to be able to start sending ads to that audience. So that's fine, depending on how much traffic you're getting on your site, it might take you just a couple hours, or it might take you, a week or even longer, depending on what you're sending traffic to. Especially if it's for like one specific page, it might take you a little bit longer to start getting enough people to run ads to. But ideally, you'll have this pixel up and running within a few hours if you're sending people to your website or to a specific page that you're targeting. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to create a retargeting pixel for a specific page on your website. So let's say you want to run targeted traffic, targeted ads to people who have been to a transformation challenge. You can absolutely do that. So if people have been to one of your sales pages for a challenge, or you can even do it to a specific blog post or whatever you want to start collecting data on, here is the way to do it. So you're going to go to create audience here. You're going to do another custom audience, website traffic. This time it's going to be people who visit a specific web page. And instead of here URL contains, you're going to put the exact URL in here. And I just created this this page for you just to show you Facebook retargeting demo page. You can put in as many URLs as you want here. And again, you know, you can make this up to 180 days. So you can pick whatever amount of time that you want. And I always include past website traffic. And here I'm just going to put, just for keeping it easy, I'm just going to put the actual domain URL here. And then I'm going to create the audience. And okay, go back. Oops, that's the wrong one. So right here, you're going to go to that specific page and you are going to view the pixel code, copy that. Now is where you're going to go to your, here you go, the code insert manager right here. And you're going to add another new pixel. And you are just going to, let's just put the, oops. Let's just put retargeting demo in the header and insert on pages. Here you're going to pick, let's see, that's my posts, pages. Here we go, Facebook retargeting demo page. So you're going to pick the page that you want it to show up on, that you want to start collecting the data from, and then you're going to paste the code right there, and then you're going to save the changes. Super easy, just like that. And now here is the actual page that I created. Right here I'm going to refresh it. And then that I'm going to make sure, see now my pixel is active. So now Facebook is starting to collect data on everybody who's been to this page. And that's basically it. That's how you start to put your Facebook pixels on. So I'm going to challenge you to put some Facebook retargeting pixels either on all pages of your website or on you know, on some very specific pages to start gathering some information. And I just wanted to show you real quick, if you have Optimized Press, which I love Optimized Press, I usually create all my squeeze pages and sales pages on it. You can actually just put a code in right into Optimized Press. So right here, if you pull up the page editor, and you go to page settings, you'll see it. It's right here under other scripts. I already have one here installed. Make sure you put it in the header and then you save it down at the bottom. But basically, if you have been on my Little Black Dress sales page for my 6-week transformation challenge in the last you know, couple months, and you have been on Facebook, you've likely seen my retargeting ad where I'm inviting you to come back to my Little Black Dress sales page and read about the challenge and purchase it if it's a good fit for your business. So that is my retargeting pixel for this specific page. So Optimized Press just makes it easy. You can put it right there instead of having to go in through the plugin. But both ways work. They're both super effective. And that's about it. So I hope that you go and take 20 minutes and start putting some Facebook retargeting pixels on your website and you start collecting data. And yeah, take some time to do that. In the next couple of days, I'm going to be creating a new post for you and show you exactly how you can use these retargeting pixels and this audience that you're collecting data on and what you can do with it. Because right now, you know, Facebook has to start collecting data, and then once you have some, you can do some incredible stuff with it to improve conversion rates and get really specific on your ads. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I would love some feedback. If you have any questions or comments, just put it in the blog post. I read each and every comment. Appreciate you watching, and lots of luck. Talk to you soon.